Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to remove a green screen from a video in Canva, so you can replace the background with any image or scene you like. This is a great way to make your videos look more professional and creative. On your Canva dashboard, to remove the green background, all you need to do is click on your video. You will then see the background remover option. Keep in mind that this feature is only available if you have a Canva Pro or Business plan. This tool lets you remove the background from your video so you can focus on the subject. To remove the background, just click on it. As you can see, when we click this, it will ask you to upgrade to a Canva Pro or Business plan. Simply choose the plan that works for you. Once you click that, Canva will automatically remove your background. And that's how easy it is to remove a green screen from a video in Canva. Now you can swap in any background you like and make your videos really stand out.